Greetings colleagues. There are a lot of similar questions in sight. Which platform to choose? How is Shopify superior to Magento? Is Shopify worth it? What's a better platform, Shopify or Woocommerce? Which one is best, Shopify or Wix? What is the best to use, Woocommerce or Magento? Etc. The essence of the questions is that an entrepreneur who is not confident in his knowledge wants to find for himself some points and indicators that will convince him of this or that choice. When choosing a CMS platform, you should remember the following. Each CMS platform has its own pros and cons. Whichever platform you choose, you will probably run into some critical limit for you, which will force you to start looking for another platform to sell. This could be technical or platform limits, or your financial resources, or lack of necessary knowledge. Almost any modern platform can be combined with your business processes. On some platforms, this is done easily with basic settings, but on some, you will need to attract good specialists. Whichever platform you choose, it does not directly correlate with the amount of money you will earn. A platform is a tool for making money, not a source of money. If you make the right choice of a product, it will have a market price, your marketing will reach the target audience, then you will earn. But, if you just start selling products from AliExpress.com and delivering them 10 times more expensive, then don't expect success. But which platform should you choose to start? First, you need to decide if you have at least some technical knowledge background. For example, do you know what are hosting, backup, cron meaning? If you have an understanding, then you can try to install free content management system platforms, the most popular of which is WordPress. The main risks of working with WordPress: firstly, it is the possibility of infecting your site with a virus if you do not update the platform, and secondly, the site starts to slow down if you use a large number of modules. An alternative is, for example, Prestashop, Magento, OpenCart, etc. If you don't have a technical background, then you definitely need to start with a cloud platform, the most popular of which is Shopify. The risk of working with Shopify is the price when connecting the modules you need. The alternatives are, for example, BigCommerce, Wix, etc. Of course, in different countries, the popularity of certain platforms may differ. This is due to how the expertise of working with platforms in a particular region is developing, or whether they are available in general. What do you need to prepare before the start of sales? The main thing to do before you start selling is to choose the product that you will sell. Ideally, you should already conduct the sale of this product through another sales channel, for example, via Facebook or Instagram, to understand that the product is in demand in one form or another. In fact, you need to prepare high-quality product images, good if they are unique, a unique description of the product, and a market price setting, that is, you need to do a basic competitive analysis. The second step is to decide on the methods of payment and methods of delivery of goods to the client, but I am sure these issues will be resolved by themselves, after the first sale, because payment can be accepted already through communication with the client. Perhaps the client will tell you something. But, in general, this moment depends on the country and region of residence of the goods that were sold, and the country and region where these goods should be delivered. All work with any platform comes down to making sure you don't make a mistake in the initial choice, but rest assured that you will most likely have a moment with any platform when you want to try some other platform. From my practice of working with small businesses, someone launches new separate stores on other platforms, others create a test copy of the site, and tries to test functionality in line with their business processes. There are 3 ways in total. If you have technical knowledge, start with WordPress and Woocommerce in particular. No technical knowledge, use Shopify. Not sure? We read the description and features of different platforms and try to understand how they fit the sale of your product and your business processes. It's simple. But remember, the software is not a source of money, but a tool. The source of the money is you, and how you organize your business.